let's fix that shoulder right there. The arm almost fell off, so as you can see, there are some 50-pound nylon lines, fishing line that goes straight to the balcony up there to tether it, and it's still putting too much stress, so I'm going to have to re-engineer this, but I think this looks super cool. As you can see, the victim is just hanging there from the monster. I also started laying out the tubing for the fog. Okay, and then we have one coming to this guy, and we're going to try to fit that up the leg, through the pelvis, to the chest, but I haven't had any luck yet, but I haven't tried really hard either. Here we have finally found a place for the tombstones. So the graveyard is in that area back there. Here is the hearse. I don't have the cabin yet. And then we have this guy. He's going to have this pumpkin, but that one is too heavy for his arm as well. So I need to tether it to the balcony somewhere over here. And this guy is just chilling there, but he will be probably doing something with the pumpkin. I just don't know yet. I still have to figure out an entrance to the graveyard, something a little better than that. Now it has a piece of cardboard right there because I had my dogs that are tiny in there watching me kind of decorate, and they were slipping right through the gate, so I had to like block it for now. So that's why it looks kind of not very spooky. I've been putting the cameras, 3 of them, the blink cameras, and they're pretty cool. I'll show you what the footage looks like. There you go. These are tiny and they just pop into place. Just like that. All right, let's go check it out. It's getting dark, so I'm going inside to show you what the footage looks like, and we'll continue tomorrow. The weather's supposed to be better. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, but I was having dinner and then I came on my way home. I saw this. These people built a whole pirate ship. Check it out. And you can go in it and everything. I'll see if I can get footage during the day, but this is so cool. I am falling way behind on the display, and to make things worse, I had an email from a newspaper that they want to send a photographer because somebody said that it was an awesome display, which is not even done. So I'm scrambling. I'm taking 3 days off from my regular 9-to-5 job just to work on this. Yeah, so now I'm looking for pumpkins because the pumpkin patch looks really, bare with no pumpkins anywhere. So I'm looking to see who has clearance ones. Walmart has the buckets, but $15 each, which is the most ridiculous price I've ever seen because I've got them there in the store for like 99 cents. So I'm going to Joann's to see if their stuff is on clearance, maybe find something, and then Target over there. And the only reason I'm here and not decorating is because my son had a dinner right there at a fried chicken place. So I'm here. I have to wait till he's done. So I'm shopping. Let's go. Stuff is on sale, 60% off, but let's see how much that is. These are awesome giant pumpkins. Their normal price is $50, so that's $30 off, still $20. Okay, too much because I need like 10, 20, whatever. This guy is 120 bucks. Nope, no budget for the stuff here. It's too expensive, but I found this. I can use that to make a zombie with pool noodles. But I was thinking, check this out. Except for the price, those vines and that one and this one and that one will look awesome like vines on the ground and also around the pickets of the fence, right? But still $5 each. So I'm thinking about it. I just noticed this, and it's one of the things I like is the organic look. Check this out. Super easy to make and super creepy. Nice. Now, Target is much better in selection and prices. I'm still at a loss for pumpkin stuff. There are some ideas. There's a lantern, street lamp, which I love for Halloween town, but it's $75. Or even an inflatable, but it's $80. 8 pumpkins, $15. So still looking, but it's not all a rivalry between pumpkins and skeletons. Sometimes they get along. Happy Halloween! The next day. I didn't get much of anything done yesterday, and I'm running out the door. I was able to postpone the newspaper photographer until Saturday night. Today is Wednesday. Like I said, I took 3 days off. So I'm running to storage to get the hearse, and then to Lowe's to figure out something to fill out the pumpkin patch that looks pretty bare. My wife suggested that we should do like 3 scarecrows, because scarecrows are naturally the best friend of the pumpkins, since they protect the harvest, you know, they protect the fruit. So we have a bunch of skeletons. There's the hearse, and you know, you guys seen this already, but look at that, there's nothing. So I put the 7-foot reaper there, and there's a scarecrow right here that looked pretty big by itself, but it looks tiny in this yard. So let's go. Over there's my boat, and over here somewhere is my storage. I keep forgetting which one it is, but let's look. I have no idea how this is going to work, because that is ginormous, and I'm glad I have 2 more pumpkins that we can use. It is pre-wired for lights, and that is the roof. I started disassembling it, but there was not enough room, so let's do it right here. I did disassemble it, so now I just have to figure out how to get it in that van. I'm gonna have to restaple some of the curtains, but I think we're okay. I thought I had missed a bunch of screws, but I didn't. All right, let's pack this up. I need a truck, man. All right, let's go Lowe's. Today was a great day to come to Lowe's because everything just went on clearance. All the yellow tags. Not a ton of clearance, but they might find some good stuff. Unfortunately, not a whole lot left, and no pumpkins at all. I've been here for like 3 hours. First, because I cannot find anything, and second, because some of the stuff that I'm trying to figure out, like the fog system, I'm kind of like building it in my head and trying to find out different pieces, different types of tubing and connections and all that stuff. And now I'm looking for some ground stakes that are supposed to be on aisle 1, and I've been around like 6 times and there's nothing, so maybe I should ask somebody.
7 hours later.
Oh, so I did ask, and there are 2 aisle 1s, one outside and one inside. So now that makes sense because it's by the landscape fabric. So let's see. Hallelujah, found them. See, 500, nope, too much. 25, 75. Let's do 50. It's been a long day today, so I'm going to cut off this episode. I've spent more time shopping and procuring stuff. I'm going to storage than actually building, but I think I should have almost everything so I can start building. So I'll see you on the next one.